It's West Jackson neighborhood. That makeshift memorial recently went up near the exact location where someone made that disturbing discovery.
A makeshift memorial near the exact spot where police found the body of Tasia Fortune hanging from a tree in the backyard of a vacant house. Someone placed a photo of Fortune under a tree. It shows the 29-year-old mother of four with her hand on one side of her face. The framed picture is surrounded by a lot of bright balloons, flowers, and teddy bears. We don't know who placed the items there. Fortune's family is from Kentucky, and they made their way to the city over the weekend. When we stopped by the house on Road of Remembrance, two men who say they knew Fortune were paying their respects. They say they're puzzled by the idea of what happened, and they want to know how she ended up in the tree. Mayor John Horn says the medical examiner's office could release autopsy results Thursday. In the meantime, the mayor urging people to not jump to conclusions and wait for the facts to come out.
When incidents like this pop up, the natural conclusion is, oh, there's something very heinous and that harkens back to our past as a part of this. I'm not sure that's the case at this point.
Code enforcement stopped by the house Monday and placed a letter on the front door. It orders the owner to appear in court next month. Authorities want to determine whether the property is a menace to public health and safety.
Jackson police have questioned a person of interest, but an individual has not been charged with a crime related to Fortune's death. Instead, police say that individual is charged with being a felon in possession of a firearm. They have admitted to police that they lived on the same street as Fortune and admitted that they had had an argument with Fortune about 2 days before she vanished, before her body was found, rather, but they denied doing anything, bringing any harm to her. For now, we're live in West Jackson. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.